G'day folks and welcome back. Today this is just a little quick tutorial on how I make all of my decals, and if you're struggling or you want to know where to go, when, how, why, this is the guy who I get all of my decal paper off. It's fantastic products, I've never had an issue, and if you do need some help with something that you're not too sure on, if you flick him a message, he will let you know. So, and also a big welcome to my new subscribers and my old subscribers. I hope you're all doing okay. So I'm KC and we're going to go through this little bit together here. So that's it. That'll just show you there's Dr. Decal and Mr Hyde.com.au. He does also send overseas as well as Australia, and he also does paper for printers that print white toner or ghost white, if you want to say it that way. He has all the decal paper there for all of your printers. So if you've just got a laser printer, or if you've just got a normal standard inkjet printer, he has the paper for all of them. Alright, so we'll go to the designing area, and as you can see I've got my decals here that I've been designing. Now there's a few of them here. I'm making up the ones for the Holden race team like that. Yep, this is not on a stand, so sorry that it's a bit wobbly. Also our 500 sub giveaway, I made those up there, and also for Steve. So you've got ST Racing, MR Racing and all of that sort of stuff there. So them decals to go on the wagon and on my mate Steve's car as well. So yeah, been doing a bit, getting them all sorted out and so forth and so forth. And same as on here, I've done these ones here. Now I just did this on a normal computer, so nothing over extravagant or anything else there. Alright, so we'll get to the paper. And as you can see, there's the one there, and that's clear. So this one here, you print your decals on there, and if these are only if you're using it on light coloured cars, it's clear, so that way it's more vibrant and it'll stand out. Now if you want to put it on a darker coloured car and you just only have the same basic stuff that I have, you then print it onto the white. It's got a white backing, so when you print it on there, you can put it on any colour car and it'll stand out. The only job is that you have to cut it out, and that's the only issue that you have with the home stuff. And that's what I've been doing all my time. Any of the other white toner ghost white decals, I've been getting them off a guy on eBay called Hobby Shoppy. He's got pretty good products and all that sort of stuff. Alright, so we'll get over and we'll show you what we've done so far. Alright, here we go. Now these are all been already printed, and you can see how clear and vibrant they are. They're very readable. As you can see that there, I've got all of those other ones done for myself because I run out of my own. And there's the decals. They're the ones there to go onto those my mate Steve's car, and also Mark Robinson, the winner of our 500 sub giveaway. We've had terrible weather here, so I'm way behind, so I will flick you an email, the guys that have won. Their stuff is coming, trust me. And there's them ones there. And now those little clips that are hole on there, they're actually stainless steel clothesline pegs, so they actually work really good. You can actually screw little sticks to them through the hole there and use them to actually hold your models. They clamp up very well. And as you can see, I've done the Holden racing team and a few other little sneaky things there that I'm going to put on the vans and all that sort of stuff there. And we've also then put it on with clear. This is the clear that we use here. White Knight Crystal Acrylic, Clear Acrylic Gloss. You can get this from Bunnings, or most hobby places will supply you with this White Knight product there. I use acrylic because then I put 2K acrylic back over the top, so that way it gets it a nice glass shine, and then it looks nice and clean. Alright, I'll just give you a quick look at one of the cars that we have done. Now there's the Harley van and the Snap-on van, the Harley one, and on that little green Jeep down below. Anything that you can see decals on there that we've made, we've done. Also, if you can't design, or you're not able to design and do that sort of stuff or anything, go to mycustomhotwheels.com.au. On the internet, they sell all decals all pre-made, so you can buy them off them. That way you can just cut them out and use them straight away. Now there's a Commodore down there that's going into Road Warriors 4. That one there, so you can see all the decals that I've been done on that there, and also done the windscreen banner and all that sort of stuff there at KC'sKustoms, which is a page that we have on Facebook. Alright, so I'll just go back to where you get this products from. Another thing too is when you get the products from Dr. Decal and Mr Hyde.com.au, you also get one of these sheets here that tell you what to do, so you cannot go wrong. Alright. And there you go. Now you can use these decals on a lot of other things, not just die cast. You can use them for anything, putting them on guitars, putting them on cups, all that sort of stuff there. Look through the product list, find it. If you're not too sure, flick him a message like I said, and he'll get back to you right away. He's a great guy. I've been buying my decal paper from there since I found him, and it's awesome. He's also got, see that there, shiny gold water slide decal paper. So you can even put gold looking stuff on your cars. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope this might have helped you out if you're struggling with making decals. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Look after yourselves, and guess what? We'll catch us again on the next one. Bye for now.